I think it's important that we talk about habits for mathematical success, and today I want to talk about understanding versus memorization. Students tend to love memorizing. Now, very often, understanding takes less effort than memorization. Let me say that again. Understanding often takes less effort than memorization. Some things, I have to admit, need to be memorized, but very few things actually need to be memorized. It's actually more important to focus on conceptual understanding. You can understand the concepts. Students before you, I have this class every fall. Students before you have succeeded and mastered the conceptual understanding, and it's a much stronger foundation. It'll help you out longer along your mathematical journey and in all the classes that you have in other disciplines, perhaps in the sciences or in business that rely on math. Now, challenge and expect yourself to really understand what's going on. Focus on what's really happening will make it actually much easier to see the applications. And this kind of challenge may be new for you. So it might be difficult, it might be challenging at first. That's okay. But instead of running away from concepts, it's so easy to take a concept and say, ooh, I don't really want to tackle that, so I'm going to run away in the opposite direction. And that running away usually leads to memorization. And that memorization is really brittle, right? Our memories are leaky. Instead of running away from the concepts, run towards them. You can do this. The last part of today is going to talk about how to properly present work. Do not ignore this information about how you should write mathematics well on a quiz or a test. Forming a good habit early on actually really helps in aid in understanding each concept. If we have notation that's good, it actually really helps solidify and clarify. The habit of just writing well will make the things make more sense that we look at. I know this sounds strange, but it will really work out. Just to review from last time, um, an expression is notation representing a number, an equation is a statement that two expressions are equal, and a function is a rule which provides exactly one output for each input. These are three totally different kinds of things that are all described with notation. They're all written down using symbols, using mathematical symbols, but they're all different from each other. An equation isn't the same as an expression isn't the same as a function. These are just three different kinds of creatures that kind of live in our math world. So just as quick examples, x to the fifth plus x cubed minus 2x plus 8 is an expression, 8x plus 1 equals 5x minus 4 is an equation, and f of x equals 3x squared plus 6 is a function. The main thing I want to do in the next part is talk about why each of these are important.